We are a service, sales, repair company for the woodworking industry. We do service and support on classical machinery, tooling, we do maintenance contracts, we do refurbishments, and we also supply new machinery to the industry. Typically, a new customer coming to us, we'll invite him to our showroom, or we'll suggest we can come on site and see his product on site, but 9 times out of 10 they'll come to a showroom because our showroom is probably one of the best in the UK. Over 70 new machines on display, 200 pre-owned machines in our warehouse. We have full engineering facilities which a customer can come and see, and he can see where we rebuild machines. They can see a full package from us. We would then take them through software options, machine options, specification options to ensure that they get the correct machine for their production needs. From delivery, we use our own crane vehicles. We don't subcontract. We use all our own engineers. We don't subcontract. Everything is done from within VWM. So it's totally controlled by us. We would then place an engineer on site to assist them with their production starting out. They would take it from there then, but we're holding their hands all the way through the project. That's why people choose, and that's why we're pretty much a one-stop shop for everybody. We have a core of brands that are our products. We have Robland, which are a machine that's made in Belgium. They produce a large classical range of machinery. We have Castlin. Castlin are a premium brand machine from Italy. They make a fantastically heavy-built product. And then we have our own Technos range of CNC routing machines. We've developed that brand now to a point where we are selling record numbers of these machines. Amongst some of the other brands we stock, we also stock Dominion, which is an old British company manufacturing woodworking machines. We took over the brand and the brand name, and we import a line of machinery now branded up as Dominion, but very much in the ethos of the old company, built to a robust standard. Customers come to us, some of them can come with a big shopping list and they want to spend thousands and thousands, but we'll always put them down the route of choosing the right machines for their application, and that doesn't necessarily mean spending thousands and thousands of pounds. It's more about learning to walk before you can run. We have 2 levels of used machinery. So we have the modern, stock that we bring in, we service, we clean, we check, and that can all be then put together with manual spanners and be sent back out as a new machine and given a warranty. We also do a lot of refurbished machines. We're quite well known within our industry for our quality of refurbishment. And refurbishment for us means it goes down to its bare casting and then it's rebuilt from that point back upwards with a high quality paint finish. It's given a full 12 months parts and labor warranty as a new machine would be. It's good for the environment, first of all, but there's a core of people out there that's still in this industry that demand those old traditional machines. It will never go away. We've always been a service-based company, so service has always come first for us. We have a lot of contracts with hospitals, colleges, government institutions, a wide range of woodworking, general joinery, manufacturing, and those have been in place for years and years and years because we support the customer. We're in a 40th year of business now. That's why we are where we are.